Rodri is the best defensive midfielder in the world. Be you Sergio Ramos, be you Sergio Busquets, be you what they call it, Casemiro, be you anybody. Rodri is the best defensive midfielder in the world. If you get issue for training, if you enter pitch, we will know as to do am. If I get issue with you, if I go to avoid to the play pass give you. Even pass where I know say now you be the only option. I go to find
another
another person just because me and you
get even say instead make I give her this person, make I
spoil
for throwing.
That kind of thing. And everybody know the quality of Rodri. If na Pep, I go say you go affect us well because Pep building team with around Rodri.
Yeah.
So if I don't know about Maresca fit decide to play double DM.
So with the performance of Rodri, and Rodri come dey like say one comot for Man City now. Shey e go really affect Man City if Rodri comot for Man City?
Normally, Rodri is a great defensive midfielder. Like everybody see him as when he get injury during when Pep he really affect us well, really affect us. But this is Maresca, so we haven't seen his ball. If na Pep, I go say he go affect us well because Pep building team with around Rodri.
Yeah.
So if I don't know about Maresca fit decide to play double DM. And now why I understand as Man City they go because the more the report they come say Real Madrid won't come sign Rodri. The more Man City they go sign that Boadi, that young Moroccan. The Man City won't go sign him. So if Man City sign Boadi now, that means we go get 3 DMs for Man City. Nico Gonzalez, this Elliot Anderson, and the Boadi. So they try in case if Rodri come out, my replacement day.
Yeah.
So
but now go really adapt well if Rodri come out for Man City.
We go adapt because a new manager and the new tactics.
But it go take time for una to adapt because
you know go take time because
na Rodri where they normally dey for that midfield and na him dey build from back and say e go affect una if him comot. So
it go affect us if na Pep system we still dey play.
But even though say no be Pep system,
this thing na new manager.
Take time for una to
this thing na new manager
to adapt.
Him get new players. Many players where they play with Rodri, like you see John Stones, you see Bernardo Silva, them they don't come out. So if Rodri come out now, it's now left for the manager to build the team around the players we get at the moment. If say na Pep now, where like when he come to Man City, in take time to build the team around Rodri. So I for say okay, if he come out, it go take time for Pep to adjust to they play another person for the DM, that kind of thing. But for now, this is a new manager. This is a new season. So it's no be middle season. Say they don't play around Rodri. So maybe they think say na Rodri. But for me to say, Rodri is the best defensive midfielder in the world. Be you Sergio Ramos, be you Sergio Busquets, be you what they call it, Casemiro, be you anybody. Rodri is the best defensive midfielder in the world. If it isn't alive, drop your Ballon d'Or, may we see. If you say you don't win World Cup, drop a Ballon d'Or, may we see. So Rodri is the best defensive midfielder. So I just hope make the transfer rumors over there here say Madrid won't collect him. May they just leave him for us. Even if they collect him for free for 27, may they just leave him. May he just play one season before he go come out.
But as everything just done now for Madrid, he go really help Madrid for that midfield also.
First of all, Madrid midfield now a bunch of young people when they try compete each other. Even as with the hear say Chouameni and Valverde they fight.
They get issue.
Okay, if you get issue for training, if you enter pitch, we know as to do am. If I get issue with you, if I go to avoid to the play pass give you. Even pass where I know say now you be the only option. I go to find
another person
just because me and you get issue.
Even say instead make I give her this person, make I
spoil
for throwing.
That kind of thing. And everybody know the quality of Rodri.
Yeah.
Rodri like if you make out anything. Everybody see quality for this World Cup. Or possibly never even play to invest. Now 2022-2023 season when we win treble, that time everybody see the main Rodri. But
my own shout now say if you enter that Madrid, say go really calm everything down.
If you enter Madrid
start
midfield,
from that back,
Madrid go really enjoy because first of all, there is Valverde we go they roam around for the center midfield. There is Bellingham we go they do attacking work.
Now just Rodri Bellingham with Valverde.
So defense no go even they stress themselves. Rodri go make you be say you get.
La Liga go hear something if this thing really work out
for Madrid. Madrid want to gather the new Galacticos because defense now they don't look and Cucurella, Don Fries are waiting the column and the new centre back with their sign. So now if they carry Rodri
Even
now
Bernardo
come,
self.
they carry Rodri come now. Bernardo still there. Will be very short workaholic one. Be person where they walk anyhow. In the
And
run.
they don't they play together for Man City.
So the connection still there. So but anyhow, may we just see as the transfer
But
go
may
be.
watch out how if the thing go really work out, say Madrid go let us sign am or they no go let us sign am, may renew him contract with them. But we'll see wetin una go talk for una comment section whether if Rodri comot for Man City, whether e go really affect Man City or e no go affect Man City. And whether e go really improve Madrid midfield or e no go really improve. But let's watch out, sha.